In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the contains expression in Power Automate. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been working with Power Automate for a while, understanding how to efficiently check whether an item is present in an array can be incredibly useful. Today, we'll walk through an example where we check a list of countries to see if France is included. Let's dive in and get started. The first step in our flow is to set up the flow itself and define an array. We begin by creating an instant cloud flow using the Manually Trigger a Flow option. This will allow you to run the flow at any given time, which is perfect for this demonstration. Next, you'll want to initialize an array variable. By doing this, we'll have a structured way to store and manage our list of countries. Go ahead and add a new action by selecting Variable, and then Initialize Variable. Label this variable with the name Countries List. For the type, choose Array. Now it's time to fill your array with some data. In this demonstration, we are going to use a list of countries, for example, including names like the United States, France, Japan, and so on. Now that your array is set up, it's time to work on configuring the contains expression. This expression is vital, as it will check whether a specific item, in this case, France, is included in your array. Add a new action by selecting Control and then Condition. This action will allow us to define what occurs based on whether the condition is met or not. On the left side of the condition, you'll want to select the Expression tab. Here, a little coding magic happens. Input the following expression: contains variables countries list, France. Essentially, this line of code asks, does our array countries list contain the item France? With that in place, we move to the right side of the condition, which is the check to see if the expression returns true or false. Ensure the operator you select is equal to. This means we are expecting a true or false response. For our purposes, choose the Boolean value true as the expected outcome. The flow should now be set up to tell you whether France is part of your list. Next, let's define the logic of what should happen in both scenarios, if France is found or if it isn't. You have the power to determine what comes next based on this condition. It could be a notification, an alert, or an update to a system. It's your decision. Finally, it's testing time. Run the flow manually to see it in action. You should be able to see if France is identified within your array. Running this check will ensure everything is operating as expected and that your flow is set up correctly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using the contains expression in Power Automate. With this knowledge, you can now create more dynamic and responsive workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!